So that's it for me for now for this week. I'll look forward very much to your questions and your queries and your concerns about this rich and rather complex subject. I'd encourage you to keep thinking about those different ecological registers that Guattari names of the self, of society, and of the environment, and using them as a way into different scales of power, different ways of understanding how power relationships articulate together to construct politics, and how different framing systems also participate in those constructs of the politics of gastronomy. Hope it's warmer next week when I'm talking to you, but we'll see what happens from then. Take care. Bye.